everybody, welcome to Law Chat 101. This is Girja Bhargav Patel, your legal BFF, and today I am going to be sharing with you some accounting tips. Now, number one, I'm not an accountant. Number two, I'm not a CPA or a CFO or anything like that. And number three, also that the information I'm sharing today is for educational purposes only. And for informational purposes only, please go seek an accountant or a CPA for further conversations about your accounting and your finance. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's talk about this. I already have some accounting episodes that have come out in my podcast, Law Chat with Girja. I also have some more coming out with different people in the finance world. So whether it's an accounting or financer or somebody that's talking about money, some of the main themes that have come out of these is that we basically need to maintain the accounting in our business. So what I'm going to talk to you today about are just some quick tips on how to do that, how to maintain the accounting in your business, or how to maintain the money matters in your business, because they matter a lot and they can really impact the health of your business, the financial health of your business. So I'm just going to kind of like run through them, top tips of how to maintain the financial health of your business. Here we go. Number one. So what you want to do is have maintenance of a bookkeeper. So whether you're using a tool like QuickBooks or whether you've hired somebody to do that as well or separately, you need to have some type of bookkeeping in progress. And so some of the things that I do is that I have, whenever I charge something or whatever, of course, like input it into your QuickBooks, input it into whatever accounting system you're using for your business. But then I also take some screenshots. I also have in my email things that I've labeled where it is saying that it's like, bills or invoices for my business. So I can easily go to them if I need to refer back to them. So that way, if somebody's like, hey, what are your invoices? And I know. And then you also should have like a little spreadsheet alongside of that. So number two, spreadsheet where you have your monthly bills coming out, your monthly expenses are on there and what bills you're getting and how you're paying for them. So that way you're able to kind of monitor it, but then also see what your monthly expenditures are and what's your monthly revenue and what is your profit at the end of the day after all of that, after taxes and this and that. So that way we can maintain and also be aware of what our expenses are. And I'm telling you from personal experience, because I'm still very notoriously bad at this. And that is that when you don't do that, it's so stressful. It is literally like you're just constantly confused about your finances, which takes me to number three, is that when you have all of this maintained, you're able to spend your money in a better way. You're educated about your expenditures. You're also able to spend money in areas that will help you grow in your business. Because now, yes, you're reinvesting the money back into your business or you're investing into your business, but you're investing in a way that is smart, that is educated, and also within the parameters that will allow you to grow and where you're not basically bleeding financially. So it's so important to, number one, have a good bookkeeping system. Number two, have a Excel spreadsheet that's kind of telling you a quick look on what your monthly expenditures are and what's your average monthly revenue. So you kind of have an ongoing knowledge of what your financials are. And number three, it's going to really help you figure out where you can spend and grow in your business. Because if you don't have that knowledge, you won't be able to grow, or you might be growing, but it'll still have that stress right here, or, where you're just constantly worried about it because you don't know. And if you don't know, you don't know. So there's a lot of clutter here and there's a lot of confusion sometimes too. So that clarity comes when there is clarity in how you are figuring out or managing the way you are spending. Number four is to have a separate bank account if you can. I highly recommend that for your business, and also a separate credit card. You want to have separate accounting for your business and your personal, and always have clear accounting between the business and the personal. So if there's ever money that you are loaning to the company, then whenever you return it back or reimburse it, make sure all of that it's logged properly and there's a record of it. So it doesn't look like you are commingling your funds and now you're tapping into your business for your personal, because that takes away a lot of the protections that you might be having under an LLC or under a corporation also. So make sure that you have a separate business, a bank account, and also a credit card is highly recommended as well. And of course, the recording of the money that's going back and forth is done in a clear way. And so these are my quick tips. These were super quick on how to manage your money on a daily. Like, this is literally something that is, I'm hoping you're already doing. I just wanted to reiterate all of this. It's pretty basic. And if this was helpful to you, share this with a friend, subscribe, and also leave a review. I really want to hear from you and hear from you about what else you want to hear. A lot of hears. Okay, I'll catch you later. And of course, catch the next Law Chat episodes and all the episodes that are coming out about accounting and finance with some amazing guests who really give so much wisdom about the money matters in your business.